Hello guys, today we're making a Christmas lasagna. So here I already cut up some of our ingredients. Right here we have onions, green, orange, red, yellow peppers. I have a piece of garlic here. Here you have pepper, salt, ricotta cheese, 2 ricotta cheeses, tomato sauce, Prego, garlic, and meat. We have parsley flakes, cilantro. Here we have our cheese, mozzarella, and I'll be adding some more cheese to that too. Here, started our ground beef already. And we preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Stay tuned, guys. Adding in the ingredients. The ingredients that we cut up before, place on the ground beef, and give it a mix. Mix well. Alright guys, here we have our greens. Bit smoked meat. I'll take you along that journey, that process on another video. Yeah. Add some of this into here. Mix well. Lasagna is an easy dish, but it tastes delicious, yes. Delicious. Okay, we took some of the lasagna out, some of the meat sauce, and spread it at the bottom of the pan. Delicious. Now we have the ricotta cheese. This stuff you could do anyway, guys. Some people might tell you put an egg. Too much work. This is just a simple lasagna. What really counts is the meat sauce. That's the creme de la creme. Show you next step when we get there. Stay tuned. After noodles, ricotta cheese, meat sauce, and I'm going to get the parmesan cheese. Oops, mozzarella cheese.
Cheese,
We add our mozzarella cheese mixed with some Monterey Jack and cold beef. That's some good stuff. And we repeat. Noodles, we go with the cheese. This layer you could make real meaty. Heavy meat sauce.
I hate this part. Just trying to do something.
You want to take over? I'll do it. Once you put both the cheeses on your second layer, you add the second layer of meat sauce. Technically third, but heavy meat sauce this one.
I have some left over.
For what?
The top. You don't want any on the top?
Not that much. I'd rather the body of it have more meat. I think put some more meat.
No, that's too much. You're gonna make it too heavy. Still got another layer to go.
Now we add the cheese. Okay, for the top layer. Repeating the steps again.
Last one. Can you use this last one?
Final layer, guys. The outer one is good, but you want the real good.
Alright, that's good.
I'll say more.
Jason, you can't put too much. It's gonna be
Not
too
too much.
heavy.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Wherever you see, like right there.
You saying more. It's not about adding so much sauce. It'll take longer for it to cook. It'll be too heavy.
The noodles are, the meat's already cooked.
But I mean, it's gonna be wet. You don't want it wet. Cheese. Gonna be some cheese all over, boy.
Just the way I like it.
Okay.
cover it with foil. Place in the oven that we preheated to 350 degrees. Alright, our timer went off. Pulling it out. Let's see what we're looking at here. Ooh. It looks like it, but it might be done. You don't want any soupy lasagna. You want to make sure everything's cooked. Give it a little shake. See how much wiggle. Nice and firm. Not soupy. Alright guys, here it is. All you cheese lovers out there, pasta. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.